Obidike! You can only run, but you cannot hide. You! Where are you? I thought you were strong. You are a king. Why are you running? Come and stand me if you have the balls. Come out, Obidike. Where are you? Come out and let me crush you like Dodo. Show yourself. Show yourself, Obidike. Show yourself. Cute boy. Obike, your son shall remain with me. Come get him if you can. Where are you taking him to?
I'm angry whenever I remember how you get
my son. My son! No! 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 My son! My son! No!
You have crossed the line, young lady. You have crossed the line. Now, hand me the baby.
Collect the baby. If you have the balls, come and take the baby.
I will come for you.
And I am waiting for you.
I will come for you.
I am waiting for you.
Just prepare.
I'm angry whenever I remember how you killed my father.
did I just dream? A woman in a shrine. And then my husband burnt in a car. Honey? Honey? Babe!
Great Shinka! I am highly disappointed at you, Igbo BK. We just ended our usual meeting. I was about to sleep, only for you to invite me back to this sacred room.
Great one is an emergency. You know I have always guided myself. I don't want any mistake.
No man, no woman, no mortal of any kind has the power to destroy any of my son and daughter. You of all people should know that. You are my army. You are my second in command. How could you worry over a mere dream that will never happen? How could you? Have I ever failed you? Have I?
You have never failed me. And I have been faithful.
Faith and belief is what drives on this great coven. You know it. How did you allow your faith and belief to come in negotiation of doubts? You go BK, go back to your kingdom and sleep.
Yes, great one. Thank you.
In a tower of bone and crown, forged in a flame, he sat on a throne that remembers no name, no mercy for the beggars. He conquered the mountains, he silenced the sea, turned the rivers to Nero. Where no soul could be here. Oh, be girl, oh, be girl, wicked king, oh, be girl, oh, be girl. He's a monster, wicked king, king, oh, be girl, oh, be girl. He's an evil man, oh, be girl, oh, be girl. You a monster, oh, be girl.
Keep saying it again. You will never, ever sleep with my wife. Not on this earth.
I want to die.
I'd rather die than watch you sleep with my wife.
You rather die?
Yes.
King of the girl, what a terrible crown you have. You have won every battle, but lost that you have found.
Get me the wife. I want to have her now. Yes, I want a wife. This is my decree. That anybody that gets married, I'll have to sleep with her before the husband sleeps with her. This is my decree. How dare you flaunt my decree? And you come here to threaten me and spew rubbish.
No! Don't come close to me. Don't even near me. Stop there. Stop there. Stop there! Where's my husband? Where's my husband? Don't come close to me! Don't! Where's my husband? What have people done to him? Where's him? Stop!
Come with me calmly or by force.
Never will I allow that king.
Woman, I'm not here to joke with you.
To sleep with me. Never!
No!
She killed herself.
Yes, my king. My king, what are we to do with the corpse?
Take it to the father. He will be glad to see what I can do to those who disobeys me in this kingdom.
All right, my king. Let's go. Move it. Move.
I know why you are here. But from what I'm seeing, my princess, you cannot undergo the task.
I am Princess Uzara. I must take back my kingdom. I must take back what is mine.
You cannot kill the king. That man is very dangerous, powerful and great.
DK, I know you. I know your grandfather. He was a peaceful and just man. But my uncle killed him and murdered your father. DK, don't you want to avenge the blood of your people? Don't you want to destroy the man that murdered your people in cold blood? DK, I am here as your vessel. I am here to take back my inheritance. I am here to end bad covenants. You can do it.
Know how I escaped. He almost killed me. My princess, the kingdom is deserted. And our youth has run out of the kingdom out of fear. He made a law that is still working in the kingdom as I speak. Before any man sleep with his new wife, he, the king, must have a night with her. And if the man refused, he will kill him and take his wife. Our kingdom is gone, princess. I advise you, forget about it.
Never! Never, DK. I must take back my inheritance. Vengeance is mine. My uncle must fall.
If I could not kill him, despite all the rituals I made, do you think you can kill him now?
I survived his bullet. I survived for a reason. I'll kill him.
Agomai. Okamwa. Abalaki bie. Indeed, you survived, babe. The blood of royalty cannot be completely erased. You shall be buried alive for 3 days. Ramati konumunu. Muabadi dile. Kunyenu. Olugbagwano bianuzani moku mabana mwa mamalidike. Agwanya mwa kwa judo. Sekusa lo maka no juanu. Giregiogo. Because of our fathers, our ancestors, I call upon you to remind you that this your daughter is born into the cuckoo of our dynasty. Therefore, no harm must come to her. Rise and feel her power. Mejonia Nike. Don't go near me. Ike. The pants. Come outside the maroon. When you put your nose on that, I don't put your nose on that. Meliabunke neke. Melibunke no ye. Melibunke na. Melibunke na mko. Ezoku. Nenia. You wrestle with spirits. But don't give up. Don't give up. The great daughter of a dynasty. Ezoku. Don't give up. Fight on. Great daughter of our kingdom. You are born great. Kingdom, destiny of our kingdom lies. My daughter, you will journey to the land of great beyond. Go, my daughter. You are brave. Go, my daughter. No matter what you see, do not fear. Go, my daughter. Why did he let me know? Reason and good You are non-destructible. No man, no woman can hurt. And he gave you a good off. Give me look okay. Oh yeah. This is the final stage of the sacrifice. It's a pleasure meeting you, my princess.
Hey, stop! What are you two doing? What are you doing? Don't you know you are a woman? Why are you fighting me? Women don't wrestle with men.
Mom, Jide is my friend. We are just playing.
See, baby, You're a woman. It's not good. Such play is dangerous for you, okay? DK, it's enough. Okay. Oh yeah, let's go inside. Dinner is ready.
Let my blood encourage and empower you, my queen. You are indestructible. No man, no woman will ever harm you.
My God. My elders, look at my son and his wife. Lying here lifeless. Hey! What have you done in this kingdom to deserve this torture from Obidike? Tell me, what was the offense? What was the offense? Hey!
Okonkwo, it's okay. I know it's painful. Please, be a man. Be strong. Please.
Yes, be a man. Nwanna, be a man. Ichi Okonkwo, be a man.
In this matter, I can never be a man. In short, I'm not a man any longer in this matter. Hey! Look at my son. Look at Uju. Hey, my Okonkwo. It has happened. Please, allow them to go and bury them. I mean, allow the youths. Yes. Hey! Our Romere. Our Romere.
Omena.
To bury my son and his wife. I can never allow that. I cannot allow them to bury my son and his wife. Tell me, these young children, what have they done to deserve this? Hey! I am heartbroken. I will not take this.
It's okay. I know it's painful. Please just be a
man. Yes, he killed himself. He killed himself. Because he dares to challenge me. I killed him. I ended his miserable life. No one dares to challenge me. I'm your king. No one dares. Did I do anything wrong?
No. You're right.
So shall it be. None of your sons nor daughters that dares me go scot-free. I am your king. I am your ruler. I've been on this throne for 2 decades. No one No one dares to challenge me.
He's a monster. He's an evil man. You a monster.
Hey, Chimo. Chime. What have I done to deserve all this? Hey! My only source of happiness. My son. My daughter-in-law. Hey! Your Majesty, I cannot be part of your government. I cannot accept any title from you. No, I cannot. I cannot be part of your cabinet, Your Majesty.
Chiokonko, don't turn down my offer. I'm your king. I want you to run this palace with me. You're a noble man.
Your Majesty, God forbid that I am part of you. I can never be part of your government. Your Majesty, you made a law that put your subjects as slaves. Yes, you are the king of this great kingdom. Yes. You torture us. You killed our youth. Even collect their wives. Your Majesty, I know that you have all the powers and connection because you are the king. I can never be part of your evil deeds, Your Majesty. Not now. I am close to my grave.
Ichoko, I know you are one of the fearless men in my kingdom. You are not afraid to speak to my face. Don't you know I can behead you? Don't you know?
Your Majesty, I cannot fear that person that can kill the flesh. I can never be part of your evil, Your Majesty.
Your days are numbered.
Your Highness, I am gladly waiting for that day to come. My son! What am I even living for? What am I living for? Oh my God! No.
Okay, no sauce. We're no sauce. Cheer, we're a guy. We're a cheer. We are living in fear. Children are in fear. Our women are in fear. Oborogini, oboriwe, iwalani. Ife soro ya konema. Anya mire jugo manya. Watch him walk, yeah. Watch him walk. Okay, no sir. Where no sir. Cheer where I where cheer. Nimadu no nojo. Nimadu no nawa. We are living in fear. Our children are in fear. Our women are in fear. Aborogini, aborigwe, iwalani, ifesoro ya konema.
Who are you? And what brings you to my kingdom?
I am Princess Uzara, your niece. Remember me? You killed my family. You burned them to ashes right before my very eyes. You shot me and took after my father's throne. Newsflash. I didn't die.
You are alive?
Yes. For a reason. To send you to the great beyond.
Take him.
My king! My king!
Here come Queen Gaza. Iwene wemo. Oh oh. Logide lulolote. Kisi wanamo. I'm angry. Whenever I remember how you killed my father. Here comes Queen Gaza. Here comes Queen Gaza. A woman of her word. A warrior. She's so strong. She's determined. sacrifice. Onye kuchuso butu onya Maka kwatura fokulusa Yeah Yeah Because has risen Here come bring Gaza To fight this battle Because has risen To fight this battle Bring Gaza Because has risen Bring Gaza To fight this battle Because has risen Because has risen To fight this battle To fight this battle Here come Queen Gaza Iwene wemo Oh oh Logide lulolote Kisi
My king. My king. Lord! My king! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody! My king! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! My king! My king! Somebody help! Help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! My king, please, wake up, wake up. Please get up. OBK, I will find you. You will not escape my wrath. This is my kingdom. This is my world. These are my people.
In a tower of bone and crown, forged in the flame, he sat on a throne that remembers no name, no mercy for the beggars. He conquered the mountains, he silenced the sea, turned the rivers to Nilo, where no soul could be.
He was here. I'm sure I left him here. He was lying here.
Wicked king. Oh, heartless king with chest of stone. What a heartless king. King Obike, what a terrible crime.
He sacrificed all his wives to the occultic world he belongs to. The first wife, the second wife, in fact, the one he's marrying now, he collected her from someone. And the man ran mad.
How did you know all of this?
The elders of the land, the one he chose by himself, they used to visit me when I was in the cell. In fact, and they told me everything. I don't even know. It still marvels me how you were able to chase him out from the palace. It's still an unbelievable story.
I am not here to chase him. I am here to kill him.
You see, since 2 decades,
Obike has been a thorn in the flesh of this kingdom. What comes out of him is more bad than good. Can you imagine? You cannot marry a wife without him sleeping with the woman. Failure to do so, he will kill you.
And the government allowed such demon to live with humans?
He is highly connected. The youths and some of our neighbors, they have written several petitions against him. But at the end, nothing comes out of it because he has ways to wriggle out of any problem. Behold, the queen, the offspring of our murdered king, Queen Ozarachukwu, the queen of Oba Kingdom.
I will tell you.
Long live the queen.
Amen, amen.
Long live the queen.
Long live the queen.
Long live the queen.
Long live the queen. Long live the queen.
Long live the queen.
This is a new dawn.
Long
live the queen.
Hey, yeah. Ome.
I'll come.
Vagu seculuta. Vagu seculuta. Vagu seculuta. Vagu seculuta. Vagu seculuta. Vagu seculuta. Vagun seculuta. Great Shinka. Great Shinka. Great Shinka. Rise! Rise! Rise!
Thank you. Thank you, Great One. Great One, please, you need to help me. You need to help me, Great One. You need to do something. You told me nothing like this will ever come to me. Please, Great One. Great One, please. My wife's dream is about to come to pass. Please. Not now. Not every time. I want to reclaim my kingdom. I want to kill her. Please. If she ever reclaims the kingdom, she will kill me. She will kill me. She will do it to me. Please, you are the only one that can make this happen. You are the only one that has the power to do this. Great One, please.
Igwobike, she has reduced your lifespan. You have 2 days to live. 2 days to bleed to death.
No. No, great one. No, you can't do this. You need to help me. No. I have done enough. I've done enough. I have sacrificed a lot for this temple. Please, you need to do something. Do something for me. You have the power.
You have only one option. You have to exchange your death with the life of your wife and your newborn baby. How did I not see this coming? What really possessed this queen? I will not let you disgrace my own. I shall deal with you after this great sacrifice. I shall send you to your grave. Wait! Wait for my return! Wait!
Over there was where he set my family ablaze. I watched your king, your queen, your crowned prince burn to death. Right there. Yes. And then he shot me. Here. He shot me.
This is unbelievable.
I don't even know how I managed to survive. A hunter picked me up. He said it took me 2 weeks to regain consciousness.
My daughter, you need to eat so that you can take your medicine. Hmm?
I don't want to eat.
You have not eaten since you open your eyes. Please, just take something, please. Eh? Please, eat. Oh.
Ay!
Sorry. You are not strong. You need to calm down. Hmm? Just wait first and take your food so that you can take medicine. Hmm? Sorry. Take. Sorry.
She have refused to eat.
So tell me, what really happened?
What's wrong with you? I think I've told you before. I think she's a presence. An enemy attacked their parents and killed them.
Oh my God.
I saw them burned beyond recognition. I saw the little girl struggling on her own pool of blood. I thought she was dead, not until I found out that she's shaking her body. Then I have to go and rescue her immediately.
Humans are so evil. So what are we going to do now? Because she's traumatized. She has been screaming throughout the night.
You don't have to bother yourself. I have taken care of that already.
Okay.
I have sent a message across to my best friend. I know he will help us out. I know he will going to heal her completely.
All right, my husband.
Let's just do our best and take care of her.
Thank God. Hello, my daughter!
And then they became my family. But they thought I had healed mentally, but no, I can never heal. I watched my own family burn to ashes. I will never heal.
He told me lies. That your father, your mother, and your brother all died in plane crash. He deceived us. And I crowned him the king. When he started making unpleasant decisions that might desecrate the values of the land, I fell out with him. He was carrying people's wives. And when I challenged him, he put me in the palace cell.
I will not kill you, but you will beg for that, right here, for daring me. You have crossed the line.
I would rather die than to watch you sleep with women that are said to join their spouses. I will prefer to remain in this prison than to watch you marry and kill your queens. You are a blood-sucking king. That's what you are.
Get ready to die, right here.
I will prefer to remain in this prison than to watch you marry and kill your queens. You are a blood-sucking king. That's what you are.
Get ready to die, right here.
It's good that you are here. And you are here quite on time. We are going to mourn our king, our queen, and our crown prince forever.
And I will never be at peace with myself until I watch that bastard burn to ashes.
He said...
Mama.
Hi, Mom.
Mama, come.
No, you're welcome, my son.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Mama, Mama, meet my fiancé, Ujunwa. Ujunwa, meet my mother.
Good evening, Mama. Hey.
Okay.
You are beautiful.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Welcome, my
Thank you.
Hey, Mama.
Thank the gods my son is back.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You know what? I prepared a very delicious abacha.
Hey.
So you are going to eat right now. Yes, let's go inside.
Thank you, Mama.
Ma. You're welcome. Give me your bag. Let's go inside. Hey, hey, how is your son, my son?
What are you even saying, Mama?
My son, this is what is happening in our land. Iwubika is a very dangerous king. Yes. Youth don't come home with their future wife. You need to return to the city by night.
I don't understand, Mama. What are you even saying? In this era, in this modern era, you're telling me that the king, one so-called king somewhere, will have to sleep with my future wife before I take her to my own bedroom. No, now. Mama, you know this is not possible.
Ekene, this has been his culture. So youth don't come home with their future wife. Those who eventually did that falls victim. These days, parents go to the city to visit their future wife. Please, you need to return. Please.
No, Mama, this doesn't sit right with me.
This has nothing to do with your belief. Yes. You did not tell me that you are coming home with a lady. Please, my son, you need to return by this night, please. Please. And you cannot overcome the evil king.
Oh, God.
Please.
Mama, please.
I mean, how is that even possible?
Don't mind, Mama. All right? Because I was like, how is that even possible? Like you said, in this era, that won't happen, I beg. Let's not even give it a thought.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Meanwhile, babe, when are you taking me to the village stream? Remember you told me that you had the best stream in this era.
Yes, that's right. We do. But you know what? That will be later.
Later? What happened now?
Babe, later, please, okay? Let's eat up. Later, I promise.
Promise.
Mama, leave this thing you're saying, please. Baby, let's go.
Ekele, don't go anywhere with her. Please. I am warning you, this is not the same village you used to know. Take her inside, please. Baby. You will have to leave this village tonight. I am begging you. I am telling you the truth.
Babe.
Listen to her. I am scared. Please, let's not go.
Even you? I don't understand what's happening here. What is happening here? Mama, what are you even saying? This is my village, for God's sake. Who made that law that I can't take my future wife around my own village? Who? Who is that king? Mama, if he does anything, I will tell him I did not go to school to read law for nothing. Babe, let's go. Please.
Hey,
what's
Ekene,
that?
please. This has nothing to do with law. Don't go anywhere, I beg you in the name of God. Please. Nne, please. You should come inside. Babe, please. Let's not go.
Babe, please, let's go. All right? This is my village. I don't know the person that will say we should not move around my village. Let's go, please. Nothing will happen.
Ekene!
Mama, we're coming.
Hey, Chimo! Ekene! Ekene, please come back! Ekene! Hey! Ekene! Igwe will collect your wife, oh! Come back! Hey! Chimo! Ekene, come back, please! I beg you, please!
Hey, listen. His Majesty wants to see her in the palace. Right now.
I don't understand. What's all this? What's all this?
What's with the gun? What have we done?
Move her out now. You can see she's with me. You're saying move her. Move her.
You either come with us the easy way or the hard way. Move, please. Move!
Move!
What are you doing here?
My king, please.
Leave my palace.
Please. Can you at least tell us our offense?
I said leave my palace.
What is our offense? Me, I cannot live here without my woman. No. I can't. This is not fair. Leave me. This is not fair. Because of Allah, you fight to shoot me, please. This is not fair.
Please, my king, please. He has not done anything wrong. Please, 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 please don't shoot me, please, I'm begging. My king, please, 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 stop. Please, I'm begging, please, I'm begging.
This is not fair. This is not fair. Please now. Please, at least let me
get out from this place. In the next 2 seconds, I'll blow off your head.
Move! Please now, man to man. Please let me see my move! This is... It's okay, it's okay. This is not fair, oh. This is not fair. Because of the land we fight for me.
In a tower of bone and crown, forged in the flame, He sat on a throne that remembers no name, no mercy for the beggars. He conquered the mountains.
Okay, come and open this gate. I'll see who is there. Come and open this gate. Are you not seeing officers of the law here? Come on, come on.
We are no soul to be here. Oh, be girl. Oh, be girl. We get king. Oh, be girl. Oh, be girl. He's a monster. King. Oh, be girl. Oh, be girl. He's an evil man.
Yes. Officer, arrest this man. This man took my wife from me. He practices barbarism in this community and calls it culture. Officer, arrest this man. Arrest this man. Let's leave here, please.
Well, officers, as you can see, I am free. I am not forced. I came here on my own accord. If there should be anyone who is constituting nuisance, it's him. So, I'm free.
Babe, how come? Babe, you've changed. Just now. Just now. Look at you. You've changed. Ha!
Well, officers, you have heard from her. Arrest this fool for false allegation and invasion of privacy.
Me? Arrest me. Arrest him. Take it away. You said it's better to take me. I called you. I brought you here. Let's arrest this man. Leave me now. Let's arrest this man. No. False allegation. I called you. Babe, this is not fair. This is not fair. This is not fair. Can you stop shouting? This is not fair. Babe.
No mercy for the beggars. He conquered the mountains. He silenced the sea. Turned the rivers to me.
Your Majesty, please, I am begging you, have mercy. Please tell the police to release my son for me, please. Please, I'm begging you.
Your son came to my kingdom to embarrass me. He was here to insult me.
Please, I am begging you. He is my only child. Please have mercy on him. Please. Uju, please. I am begging you, please.
It's okay. Go home. They will release him. I've heard your cry.
Thank you, Your Majesty. May you reign forever. Would you thank you so much? May God bless you.
Bless you too.
May God bless you for me.
Go home before I change my mind.
Forged in the flame.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
He sat on a throne that remembers no name, no mercy for the beggars. He conquered the mountains. He silenced the sea, turned the rivers to me.
Your Majesty,
where no soul.
I am dying. I am dying, Your Majesty. I am dying, Your Majesty. Please do not harden your heart on a poor widow like me. Please. Please. My son has been reminded for over 6 months now. And you and I know that the accusation leveled against him is not true. You know that. Please.
Are you trying to say that my husband, the king, is lying?
I did not say His Majesty is lying. Please, let us settle this amicably. This is once upon a time good friend of yours.
Oh, please. Are you trying to blackmail me emotionally? Or you're trying to seek my sympathy with these crocodile tears of yours?
No. No, Your Majesty, no. My son is suffering. He is my only child. And his father is late. Please. I am begging you. I'm on my knees. His only crime was to love. Trying to protect what he loved. Please, Your Majesty. I am begging you, please tell His Majesty to release my son for me, please.
Okay. Well, just maybe, if you cry a little bit longer, I will consider you. So please, do me the honor of crying more. Cry.
Majesty, please.
Good. Keep crying.
I am begging you. I am begging. I am begging you. I am begging you.
Forge in the flame.
Ujungwa, leave my compound this minute.
Papa.
Leave my compound because your role model, your mother, is not here. So why are you here?
Well, Papa, I came to see...
Ujungwa, you have to leave my compound this moment, or you think I'm afraid to talk to you because of that your evil king? By the way, when will that your so-called husband release that innocent boy? Who brought drink to pay on your head 8 months ago? Your mother disappointed me. She lured you into marrying that wicked king who has killed all his wives.
Papa, please.
Ujungwa, hold your explanation to yourself. Leave my compound.
But Papa, just let me...
Leave this moment! Leave. I said leave!
You must bring them for sacrifice. And don't act as if you're ignorant of that. Don't forget your wife and your newborn baby.
Great one, I so much love this one. Can't I break?
A sacrifice must cost you what you cherish most. You go be gay. A king is not meant to love a woman. Do not give too much to the one you think you love. You do not have time.
What do you want in my palace?
A child that is being overfed desires to wrestle with his father. For no matter how long Eliza stays close to the river, he doesn't make it king of the reptiles' kingdom.
Old man, you are talking too much. Who are you?
I have come to try your might, but indeed I have confirmed that you are not an easy one. But let me remind you, you will be crushed. You will be crushed. And this kingdom will be given back to the rightful owner. Igwe Bike is my great son.
Oh, I see. I have a message for you to him. one, I go roast them like dodo.
Here come Queen Gaza, Iwene Wemo, oh oh, Logide Lulolote, Kisi Wanamo, I'm angry, whenever.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
There, Your Majesty.
Greetings.
My name is Aredo. I bring my wife to be to His Majesty to sleep with for the normal thing.
I don't understand. His Majesty? What
Yes.
normal thing?
I bring her for him to sleep with her. If I couldn't do that, they would behead me.
Please. I don't understand. That's barbaric.
It's our tradition. If I couldn't do that, they would behead me.
What kind of stupid tradition is that? That's nonsense. Utter nonsense. How can a grown-up man like you bring this beautiful young lady to that demon for him to sleep with? Are you okay?
Your Majesty, please.
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 I don't want to be beheaded. They would kill me if I couldn't do it.
Wonderful. You know what? No. You two, go home and get married.
Without him sleeping with her?
Listen, that barbarism no longer exists here. Okay? That's your king. No longer, in fact, he was never a king. I am in charge right now. This is my kingdom. And I am ordering you to go and get married to your wife.
Thank you.
Your Majesty.
Thank you, my Majesty.
Kaina, let's go. Hey. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey.
My goodness.
The Majesty will not sleep until the let's go.
This is crazy. Absolute nonsense.
That is what we bring to your table, Your Majesty. As we speak, that young man is still in prison, remanded. He gave an order that he should not be released. All our hidden effort to bring him out, everything failed.
Your Majesty, you see, the funny thing here is that that young man's fiancée is the queen.
Yes, he married that one.
Indeed, a lot has really happened.
I want to know the young man's name and the family he comes from. I also want to know the court handling his case. I will make sure I get him released with immediate effect.
We will do exactly what you said and get back to you.
How sure are we, Your Majesty, that Igwe Obike is not coming back to harm us? In fact, coming back with a more deadly force against us.
A brave man does not run. He fights even with his last breath. Let him run and come back. And leave my people alone. Let him face me. Listen, I am not waiting for him to come back. I am fully ready to go after him.
The gods has come down to us in form of our way.
I am fed up. What is really happening? I went out to seek for help, came back and you were nowhere to be found. I searched everywhere for you, you were still nowhere to be found. Just a little sleep that took me off I woke up and boom! You walked in.
Enough! You should be grateful that I saved your life.
Grateful? Grateful, you say? No, I should be regretting. I should be regretting my life, regretting the very first day you laid me in your bed. I should be regretting the day Chima brought me to this village.
How dare you mention that name here? How dare you? Now listen, I'm still the king. I did not run. I only came here to prepare for the war ahead of me. And I shall reclaim back my kingdom. And I will.
I had a vision. Not just a vision, a dream. I saw her. She burns you to ashes. She will pay you pain for pain. She will make your life miserable. I told you this, but you wouldn't listen. You would not believe me. But that is what is going to happen.
We shall see.
Oh God. What have I done to myself? What have I gotten myself into? How did I end up with a cultist king? Is this the kind of queen I want to become? Please help me.
She's now the queen of the kingdom. Oh no, who crowned her? They are about now changing the laws, the norms you made in the land.
You will begin. Run for a woman?
The rumor that is going around the community is that you ran away when your power failed you. She's now going about with your crown on her head. Hello.
I am still the king. I am the man. No mortal shall take away my kingdom, my throne. Never.
You have to do something quickly. Her fame is spreading like wildfire in the community.
I shall come back and I shall reclaim my kingdom.
You have to.
I will see to that.
Ujunwa, you are not welcome here. You made your mother travel abroad to go and enjoy herself. Oh yes, the mother of a queen. What did you say she came to do? Omogo, right? Is that it?
Papa, please. I'm begging you. I do not want to be married again. All of this was advice from Mama, please. I don't want to be married again. I don't want to be in this marriage again.
You don't want to be in but you already had a son for him.
The child is for Ekene.
Ekene? So where's the child now?
He's in the palace. I left him at home. Papa, that is not the case. A strange human got into the palace and started attacking everyone. Killed the talks, attacked my husband, and both of us had to flee for safety.
This is laughable. You mean your husband had to run away because of a woman?
Papa, that woman is using charms. Her charms are way stronger than my husband. I could see how scared he was. We had to flee for help. Papa, please, I don't want to die. Please, I don't want to be the
You
queen
see
again.
all what you brought upon yourself. If you had listened, that young boy had some little money, although he may not be rich like the king. He had money. He was willing to pay everything on you because he saw the white material in you.
Please.
Now, you should have brought that so-called child back to this house, to your father's house. Then there would be a different ball game.
I was confused. I had to leave him with the nanny. Papa, please help me, please. I'm begging you. I don't want to die. I don't want to die, please.
Udoma, all I'm saying is, you are not welcome in this house. That is all I have to say. You see, because I gave so many instructions, friends spoke to you, you never listened. And now you are coming with a different thing to tell me that you are sorry you didn't know for all these years that you were with that so-called king.
Papa, please. Please, I'm begging. Please. I don't want to die, please. I don't want to be my fault. I don't want to be the queen again. I'm sorry. Please, I'm begging you, please, Papa. Please.
You said she went where?
She did not tell me, Your Majesty.
You may leave now.
All right, Your Majesty.
Tonight, your blood and that of your mother shall fortify me and make me stronger. We shall reclaim back the kingdom. Yes, Daddy loves you. But you have to go, you and your mother. I don't have much time to live. But I need to live to be stronger and impregnable.
Your Majesty, a woman is here to see you.
A woman?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Who knows that I'm here?
I don't know, Your Majesty.
Let her in.
Obidike! You can only run, but you cannot hide. You! Where are you? I thought you were strong. You are a king. Why are you running? Come and stand me if you have the balls. Come out, Obidike. Where are you? Come out and let me crush you like Dodo. Show yourself. Show yourself, Obidike. Show yourself.
Cute boy.
Obike, your son shall remain with me. Come get him if you can. Where are you taking him to?
I'm angry whenever I remember how you get
my son. My son. No! 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 My son! My son! No!
What are you doing sleeping on my couch?
Madam.
And where's my baby?
Madam.
I said, where is my baby?
Baby. Madam, I don't know. A woman came in here and made me fall asleep. I don't even know what happened, Madam, I don't know.
Juliet, are you mad? Hey. Are you drunk? What woman are you talking about?
Madam,
where is my child?
Madam, I don't know.
Where's my husband?
Madam, I don't know. Hey.
Juliet.
Hey. Madam, I don't know.
Juliet. If I go upstairs to my baby's crib and look for him, and I do not see him, when I come back, just be dead. Just be dead before I come back.
Hey! Madam! Hey, whoa! I don't die, you, madam! Hey! Oh.
You have crossed the line, young lady. You have crossed the line. Now, hand me the baby.
Collect the baby. If you have the balls, come and take the baby.
I will come for you.
I am waiting for you.
I will come for you.
I am waiting for you.
Just prepare.
I'm angry whenever I remember how you killed my father.
Did you see Juliet?
Yes, my son, we just run come out now. Yes.
Juliet, she just left?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Any problem?
Hey, baby. Okay, did you see any woman, fair, tall, or dark, any kind of woman? Did anybody walk in here?
No, ma'am. No, sir. No, ma'am. Any problem?
Vera, my baby. My baby! My baby! My baby!
Your Majesty, you mean that child up there is his son?
Your Majesty, don't you think that will put you into trouble?
Why are you asking such question? Who are you to ask such question?
Who am I?
Yes, who are you? You are very close to the...
Enough! I do not have any intention to hurt an innocent child.
Your Majesty, you are full of mystery. We are going to conquer all our enemies. With you, I am at ease.
What about the mother?
Why are you asking such question? Who are you to ask such question?
Who am I?
Yes, who are you? You are very close to the king. I hope you are not communicating with him because he will kill you first. You have to know what you are doing.
How dare you? How dare you speak to me like that? Communicate with whom I have not seen.
It's okay. You people should not fight.
The child was lonely, so I decided to carry him.
But Your Majesty, that will make him come for you.
Exactly. Let him come. Let him come, for that is what I want.
Idiot. Nonsense. I will get another queen after I conquer Dozara. Dare you challenge me? The Great Shinka! Great Shinka! The Great Shinka! This is my sacrifice, my wife.
Hey, the line is still not going.
Negodi aitorato nuwa anyamire jugo manya.
Hey, switched off. Hey. Hi. Where will she be now? Moreover, my daughter has refused to tell me where her husband bought the house in question. Could it be they don't want me to know where the house is located? How? And she has also failed to tell me when she will go and get her child, to bring the child home. How? Oh, I hope she's safe. Oh, I hope she's safe wherever she might be. And the child too. How? Oh, this is not network. This is switched off. How? My God, I hope they are safe. Oh. For the past 3 hours, I've not been able to get through. And she's not even thinking right to call her father. How? My daughter must have a lot going on in her head. So, hey, God, save my daughter. Hey. Hi.
You must complete the sacrifice. Your son is missing.
Betty, you were there. I tried.
It is not my battle, Igwobike. It is yours. You have few days to live. The blood of your son shall give you life, strength, and might. But the blood of your wife shall make you prevail over the kingdom and conquer all your enemies. So you need both.
I don't want to die. Please, help me.
Igwobike! Go and get your son before it is too late. The mother cannot be sacrificed without the baby. Both are the ultimate sacrifice. And remember, you have few days to live. If not, you shall die.
No, I want to die. No, please. Please.
And where are you going to with the baby?
I'm sorry.
Hand the baby over to me.
Onye ụsarị ogwu maga n'ọdụ anụ oyi n'enu m ụlọ elu bụ ezobi batụrụ ndị n'enu toilet dị n'ala ma ya wụrụ na arụtarịrị n'enu. Igwe, I shall go and I shall return with the baby. Ọmụ awụmụ a na-afụ anya. I am the only man that catches the wind with my bare hands. No one dares me. I said no one dares me. I am coming with the baby.
Go. I'll be waiting.
Mbọsị nji achụ nwaanyị ka ndị ara ji akpara m ọta njere n'anya. Ahịa m ikuku a na-afụ anya. Ozu eburu enu utu ya na-ekeli. I shall return with the baby.
In a tower of bone and crown, forged in a flame, he sat on a throne that remembers no name, no mercy for the beggars. He conquered the mountains, he silenced the sea, turned the rivers to Nero. Where no soul.
Igwe!
Talk to me, what happened?
You didn't tell me that she's not a human being.
What nonsense are you talking about? She's human, my friend.
Igwe, no. You got a law. She beat me mercilessly. I was very lucky to have escaped. The queen is fortified. She is not a human being. Igwe, please, balance him. Give me my balance. Let me be going before she comes back here and continue from where she stopped. Oh, because
you have won every battle, but lost that you have found.
Fool! Talk too much. You speak too much.
He's a monster living in the midst of men. He is the lion and the beast. Almighty King. No bigger. No bigger. He is the lion. No bigger.
What are you talking about? I thought you all have certain powers to do whatever you want.
Sir, you too? Don't you have powers of your own? Go get your own baby yourself.
Oh, she's powerful than you? Oh, tell me, she's not powerful than you?
She's not just powerful. She's very dangerous. Very dangerous. She pardoned me. That's why I'm here speaking to you. Forget about that kingdom. Forget about the baby. Forget about anything concerning her. It's her birthright. Yes.
I should forget about her. I should forget about the baby.
Yes. That's my candid advice. She's very dangerous. Very powerful.
I see. That's right.
You won't understand. She took all my powers. She took all my powers.
Oh, really?
Yes.
She took all your powers?
She did.
Oh. I understand. Now I understand. She took all your powers. Fools. Fools. Or fear fools. Idiots. You can't fight your fellow woman.
In a tower of bone and crown, forged in a flame, he sat on a throne that remembers no name. No mercy for the beggars. He conquered the mountains. He silenced the sea, turned the rivers to Nero, where no soul could be here. Obika, Obika, wicked king. Obika, Obika, he's a monster. King Obika, Obika, he's an evil man. Obika, Obika, you a monster. Obika, wicked king. Oh, heartless king with chest of stone. What a heartless king. King Obika, what a terrible crown you have. You have won every battle, but lost that you have found.